This is DFW Fence Contractor. I wanted to show you a cedar, Western red cedar fence. It's built horizontal. So all this wood has been pre-stained. It's got a gate here with a gate frame on it. It's all built out of cedar. And then we'll put deck screws in all of the bracing to connect like your 2x4 to 2x4, your 2x4 to 2x4. We'll do that all in deck screws, a 3.5 inch deck screw. These are metal posts behind here. Let's see right here. I'll probably show you from the top. So it's a metal post in there. It's called a postmaster. It's a U-shaped channeled post. These are great for horizontal fence building. They do an excellent job because you can come back and cover them with your same picket material and cover the entire post. It really does a great job. And then we'll put a center brace of 2x4 in the middle. Typically, it'll have a 2x4 at the top, a 2x4 at the bottom. So these are Western red cedar 2x4, just like the picket material. That'll help brace up the gate and the fence if you put extra braces in it. This could be built without this here, but in time, these pickets would want to move too much, so we want to brace that up. So if these posts are set on 8-foot centers on our 6-foot tall construction, and we put this mid brace in at 4 feet, that would help to keep those from moving as much. I mean, obviously it's wood, nothing's perfect, so it could warp somewhat, but Western red cedar stays pretty true and straight. So I just wanted to show you a 6-foot tall, 6-inch Western red cedar horizontal fence. This has no top cap or trim on the outside, but it is a nice fence. You could easily add a cedar top cap on top of this to dress it up some more if you would like. But this style is modern and universal at the same time. It really looks good.